Why is it that every epic science story seems to start with a blunder? Today, we're cracking open the secrets behind the failures that lead to big discoveries. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to our journey through the twists and turns of a brain-opening scientific experiment. Today, we're unraveling the mystery of failure in science. First up, our experiment aimed to turn ordinary metals into gold, using just heat and a pinch of secret ingredients. Sounds magical, right? The hypothesis was simple. By combining these elements under extreme conditions, we'd witness a chemical miracle. We meticulously mixed, heated, and weighted. But instead of gold, we got a spectacular explosion of colors. Definitely not what we expected. So, what went wrong? Was it the hypothesis, or maybe the method? Turns out, our calculations were a bit off. And well, our equipment wasn't exactly top-notch either. But here's the golden nugget. Every mishap teaches us something profound. This failure shed light on reaction dynamics we hadn't considered, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. To sum it up, embracing our blunders not only builds resilience, but also propels science forward. What's your take on learning from failure? Drop your thoughts below and hit subscribe for more mind-bending science stories.